With Cinco de Mayo right around the corner, let me show you how to make a guacamole that's sure to impress. Get yourself 3 ripe avocados, slice them in half, then you're just going to get that pit out of there. Boing! Now you can cut into them a little bit if you want to, but all you really got to do is just squeeze them out. Repeat the process. I'm going to use 3 limes, cut them in half, and then just squeeze that juice out. Then to season it, all you need is that Camp House seasoning from Buck Junkie, the perfect blend of salt and pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Then you're just going to mix it all up to your desired consistency. I like mine pretty smooth with just a few little chunks in there. And this guy's ready to serve immediately. Sometimes we keep to the KISS principle. Keep it simple, stupid. You know the drill. Live wild, friends.